Thrifting has surged in popularity as a sustainable and budget-friendly shopping alternative. However, navigating the world of secondhand stores without a strategy can lead to common pitfalls that may not save you money in the long run. Here's an in-depth look at 20 common thrifting mistakes and how to avoid them, ensuring your thrifting adventures are both economically and environmentally beneficial. Mistake 1. Entering without a purpose. One of the most common pitfalls is thrifting without a clear objective or shopping list. This often leads to impulsive purchases of items that you don't truly need or won't use. Before heading out, take stock of what you actually need. Make a detailed list and stick to it, allowing for flexibility only if you find something that genuinely fills a gap in your life or wardrobe. Mistake 2. Compromising on quality. The lure of low prices can sometimes overshadow the importance of quality, leading to the purchase of items that are worn out or close to the end of their life cycle. Conduct a thorough inspection of each item for signs of excessive wear, damage, or any other issues that could affect its longevity. Remember, a low price doesn't justify compromising on quality if the item doesn't last. Mistake 3. Skipping the fitting rooms. Avoiding the fitting room can result in buying clothes that don't fit properly, wasting money and closet space. Always try on clothing before purchasing when possible. If fitting rooms aren't available, wear easily adjustable layers for quick try-ons in the store, or check the return policy to make exchanges if needed. Mistake 4. Ignoring maintenance costs. Overlooking the care and maintenance needs of an item can add unforeseen costs and effort down the line. Check the care labels on textiles and research the maintenance needs of electronics or furniture. Opt for items that fit within your lifestyle and budget in terms of upkeep. Mistake 5. Getting distracted by brands. Focusing too much on brand names rather than the item's utility, fit, or condition can lead to regrettable purchases. Evaluate each find based on its merits, how well it meets your needs, and its condition, not just the brand label. Mistake 6. Neglecting to clean items properly. Bringing thrifted items into your home without a proper cleaning can pose risks to health and cleanliness. Develop a cleaning protocol for different types of items, ensuring everything is thoroughly washed, sanitized, or disinfected before use. Mistake 7. Getting into impulse purchases. The thrill of the find can lead to buying items on a whim. For potential impulse buys, take a moment to consider its practical use in your life. If in doubt, leave the store without it and give yourself a day to think it over. Mistake 8. Not doing price comparisons. Assuming thrift store prices are always the best deal can lead to overpaying for some items. Use your smartphone to quickly compare the thrift store price with retail prices online, ensuring you're truly getting a bargain. Mistake 9. Underestimating repair or alteration costs. Purchasing items in need of repair without considering the true cost and effort of those repairs can lead to higher overall costs. Estimate the cost of repairs or alterations before making a purchase and decide if the item is worth the investment. Mistake 10. Accidentally buying counterfeit items. The possibility of purchasing counterfeit items, especially in the case of designer goods, is a real risk. Educate yourself on the key features of authentic items and be wary of deals that seem too good to be true. Mistake 11. The temptation to hoard. The affordability of thrifted items can encourage stockpiling unneeded goods. Resist the urge to buy items just because they're cheap. Practice mindful shopping by evaluating the true need and potential use of each item. Mistake 12. Losing sight of personal style. It's easy to be swayed by trends or unique finds that don't align with your personal style. Stay true to your aesthetic preferences and lifestyle needs, ensuring that each new addition will be loved and utilized. Mistake 13. Thrifting without a budget. Even at thrift store prices, costs can accumulate quickly without a spending plan. Set a firm budget for your thrifting adventures to keep your finances on track. Mistake 14. Missing out on special discounts. Many thrift stores offer additional discounts on certain days or for specific items. Inquire about and plan your visits to coincide with these special deals to maximize saving. Mistake 15. Overlooking the broader impact of purchases. Buying items solely because they're secondhand can still contribute to overconsumption. Consider the environmental and personal impact of each purchase, aiming to buy items that you truly need, will use, and cherish. Mistake 16. Being uninformed about return policies. Assuming a uniform return policy across thrift stores can lead to disappointment. Always ask about the return policy before purchasing, especially for items you're unsure about, to avoid being stuck with unsuitable purchases. Mistake 17. Forgetting to negotiate when possible. Some thrift stores, especially smaller, independent ones, may have flexible pricing. If appropriate, don't hesitate to negotiate the price, especially for items that may have been overlooked or have minor flaws. Mistake 18. Limiting yourself to certain stores. Sticking to a single thrift store can mean missing out on a wide array of items and deals. Explore a variety of thrift stores, including nonprofit shops, consignment stores, and specialty secondhand boutiques to discover the best selections and prices. Mistake 19. Thrifting in a hurry. Finding valuable items in thrift stores often requires time and patience. Allocate sufficient time for your thrifting trips, allowing yourself the leisure to thoroughly explore and find those hidden gems. Mistake 20. Purchasing without testing electronics. Electronics can be a great find in thrift stores, but buying without testing can result in non-functional gadgets. Always test electronics before purchasing or verify that there's a return or exchange policy for electronics that don't work as expected. By avoiding these common thrifting mistakes and adopting the proposed solutions, thrift shopping can become not only an enjoyable and eco-conscious activity, but also a financially savvy strategy that enhances your lifestyle without burdening your budget. Through mindful thrifting, you can cultivate a more sustainable relationship with consumption, one that values quality, intentionality, and the joy of discovery.